Hello guys, I'm Pritesh. Today I'm going to explain a very easy and interesting LeetCode problem called check balance string. In this problem, we are given a string number consisting only of digits. A string is called balance. The sum of digits at even indices is equal to the sum of digits at all indices. Our task is to return true if the string is balanced, otherwise false. Let's understand with an example. Here I have given a string for the three four. Let's calculate the sum at even indices and calculate the sum at the odd indices. Now sum at the odd indices is 4 and sum at the even indices is 6. Okay, I guess what is it? Even indices is 4 and odd indices is 6, which is not equal to each other. So the string is not balanced. Now another example is here. Now at even indices, the sum is 6, while the odd indices, the sum is also 6. Since both are sums are equal, the string is balanced. The answer will true. Now, let's understand the approach. The idea is very simple. We transfer the string once for every index. If the index is even, add the digit to the sum e or the or if the index is odd, we're gonna add the digit to the odd number variable. After processing all digits, we're gonna check the condition if my sum of odd and even number are equal, then we're gonna return true, otherwise false. Now let's get into code. Here, first we can create even sums and variable of sums. Now, ask array combine less than size. And command. Even. Here we are converting a string into an integer and adding it to some variable. And now after this one complete, then condition if my even sum is equal to or sum, not this will my directly give us true and false condition in the sum is equal. Let's check the result is good. Okay, now let's sum of the code. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.